in today's video, I am going to organize my TBR cart. I finally bought one today, which I'm not kind of sold on it because it's not the right color. The one I wanted, this is the cart. I got it from, where did I get this from? Oh Lord, Home Goods. And they have the same exact one like this that was in pink, and I wanted it, but I just refused to spend $50 on it. I'm sorry. And I only spent $34.99 on this. And the crazy thing is it's the same exact one. It's just because it's pink, and it's like the pink that I want, the like light pink. And I said, okay, this is what you gonna do, Lex. I am going to take it home, see how I like it, see where I can position it in this room. And if I like it, I will keep it. I still am going to go to another Burlington. You guys know Burlington has been my store for a couple of months now. I went to one today and they didn't have it. I went to one on Saturday. They didn't have it. It's one more location that I think I might have saw that pink one there. And it looked exactly like the one that was at Home Goods. You guys remember my TBR cart was in my living room. It actually was a like decor piece that my aunt got from Home Goods also a couple years ago, and when she passed I took it, but then my records but then my shelf for my records, it collapsed. So currently my records are on that little like cart, which I can't keep it there. I'm gonna buy another stand. With this one you can actually fold it up like that and like store it on the wall, but clearly I'm gonna always have to have it like this because it's gonna be books on here. But yeah, so this is how the cart looks. Yeah, let's just get started. First off, I was thinking about maybe putting it like here. I could squeeze it in here. I didn't realize that this was this wide. Okay. Well, first, let's put the books on the shelf and then we'll figure that out. So here are the rest of my books for my TBR. Now, you know what? I actually think I'm going to get rid of one, and it's going to be this one. I'll show you. Hurricane Summer by Asha Bloomfield. This is a YA, and I started a couple months ago, and I liked it, but I got distracted, of course, and I haven't picked it up. And if I'm being honest with you, I can't even remember what this story is about. I got to page 118, and I think I've read enough of my YA this year. So yeah, I have to take YA in doses. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna put this over here because this is the YA section. Okay, so here are the rest of the books. Comedy American Style by Jessie Redmond Fawcett. Of course, Anna Karenina. G-Spot by Noir. I Am Aya, The Way Home by Donna Hill. The Fire and the Flint by Walter Francis White. He was a author from the Harlem Renaissance. And Pearl Cleage, I Wish I Had a Red Dress. This is a sequel to What Looks Like Crazy on an Ordinary Day. You guys remember I did a read a book in one day of that book and loved it. And I loved it so much that when I found that it was a sequel, I was like, oh, I have to get it. And with this one, we're going to meet Joyce, who was, is her name Ava? Was Ava's sister. I did start this because I remember that time I was going to pick that up, but then again got distracted. But I actually do like the story and what was going on, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm also thinking about putting the rest of my J. California Cooper books that I need to read. You guys know I'm doing my author project where I'm focusing on one author's whole fictional catalog. And this year it's J. California Cooper. Okay, I have this one to read, right? Do I have myself? I read that one. Yeah. Okay. So I have these books to read by her, and I need to get one more that I don't, no, two more that I don't have. And I don't put them in order. Sometimes what I'll do is I will put them by page count, like when it gets down to the nitty gritty. So basically like, you know, October, November, December, when I need to hurry up and get these books read. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna do all the J California. Again, I don't have a lot because this year I made sure not to just bombard myself with books because I get discouraged when I don't finish them. Also, I do not mind at all DNFing books. At one point, I didn't like doing that, but it's like, girl, it's not that serious. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Let me see. This needs to be kind of cleaned off. It's a little dusty. I've had this since college. I actually got this from Home Goods. I remember buying this for my first dorm room. Gosh, it was years ago. My first dorm room ever. It was pink, of course. I've kept it all these years. Also, my cart that I had in the living room, I did have books on there that I couldn't like fit anywhere in the library, or I didn't have any space anywhere. And you know what I'm gonna put on this cart? I'm gonna put those Bridgerton's books on this cart. Here are all the Bridgerton books. Now you guys remember I read this back in, oh Lord, June? I can't remember. I have all the books, but I didn't know where to put them, so they've just been on like my shelf. And y'all know I separate books by race. I should put these in order. Yeah, I don't feel like doing all that. It ain't that deep. You guys, let me show you the candle that I actually bought from Bath and Body Works today. They had the Bridgerton candles and like some of the body products. I wanted to get this candle because, Lord, it's Lady Danbury's candle. And it smells good. It has, I think also the reason why I like it, it has that whipped vanilla, almond, and sugar crystals. Now it does smell like a sugar cookie, which I'm not really down with that. But it does have vanilla, and that's one of my favorite scents. I only use that in my bedroom normally. Then also the packaging. You know, my room is pink and gold, so yeah. Then I want to show you guys also this lighter that a company sent to me. Let me show you guys. And I've been using it for, I think they sent this to me last month. It is a lighter, but get this, you guys. It is a like rechargeable lighter. So it comes with the like cord and then obviously the lighter, and they have so many different colors. You can get this on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. It's by Retta, I believe. And this thing is so cool. So first you just put your hand on like this space and you see like blue lights come up, and then you hear that sound? I'm a little firebug. Isn't that neat? Oh, I'm obsessed with this thing. Again, I'll put this down in the description box if you guys want to get it, because it is awesome. So I think I'm gonna put this TBR card, I'm just gonna put it right in front of here. I think I'm gonna keep it there, but I think I'm gonna go and get that pink one. Okay, you guys, so that is it for me with this TBR shelf, with this TBR cart. Again, want to keep it very simple because I just wanted to house my TBR books like they were before, and instead of it being in the living room, now it's going to be in this room in the library. But like I said, I am going to get that pink one, and I'm going to go to that Burlington tomorrow after work. Yeah, and if they don't have it, then I guess I'll just bite the bullet and buy that one. Y'all, I'm so cheap. Or I might ask my sister for my birthday. But no, I don't want to wait that long. My birthday's in September. No, I want this now. I'm talking like I can't afford this thing, but y'all can see how cheap I am. Now that I'm thinking and talking out loud, it's like, girl, just get what you want, okay? Get what you want. Yeah, guys, that's all I have for you, and I'll be back with more black books. Bye.